Okay guys, so what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to install a software that's going to help you spin up your ORS blueprint on your local computer. So this is the page the website you want to visit, and go to Google and just type local by Flywheel and you should see this local WP. Click on it, and once you're here, if you want, take a look, but this is basically the software we're going to be using. It's free. Download it, choose your platform, Mac, put in your initials or whatever, your information, then go through the setup process. Download this program on your computer and install it. And I'm not going to be showing you how to do that because it'll take a bit, and you should be able to install software on your computer. Otherwise, this might not be for you. So once it's installed, you might be looking at something like this. This is the local program that's running. As you can see, we have a few sites already installed because that's what we do. We develop websites. And you should download also the blueprint on your computer using the buttons we provide on the tutorial page and where you're viewing this video. So once you've downloaded the blueprint on your computer, just go ahead and click on File, Import Site. Click on the file that you downloaded and say Open, and this is the next page. Give it the name of your business or website. We're going to call it ORS, but you can call it whatever you want, like SEO domination or whatever your business is about. You don't need to worry about this. Click to continue. You don't need to worry about the environment. Just say Import Site. So this is a really quick process, and what's awesome is that this is basically gonna spin up a website on your PC, on your Mac, that you can start editing and adding stuff to without paying any hosting for at the moment. And what's cool is you could do this for even client sites. So you work on your client site, you finish them up, and then you can enable a live link and then share this live link to them when you're done. In our case, we're going to be spinning up our blueprint, and we're going to be setting it up on the local computer, and then when we're done, we're going to be pushing it to our hosting. But you can choose any hosting you want. If you have a friend that'll install it for you on GoDaddy or whatever type of hosting. It's going to be asking you for administrative password. Put that in, and it's going to start importing database. We're going to show you how to, okay, so this error is normal and it's happened to us every time. You don't have to worry about it. Just say, okay, if you see it. If you don't, that's good. And as I was saying, we'll be showing you how to push the site on our hosting without any developer experience at all, without asking a developer to do this for you. Okay, so when you see this green light, basically means the site is working. It should say stop site here. Let's go ahead and view the site. Just click on view site. And this is basically your home page. This is going to be your home page, and we call it the super seller. And it's a template that's engineered to sell your services. And the template is editable. If you have experience, you can change it to whatever you want, but if you don't, we'll advise you just to change the content to your business. So let's go ahead and log in. Just write WP admin/. You can take this out if you want to, and it should take you to the login page, and your login is going to be ORS free. And the password is going to be 123123123. You're going to have a chance to change it afterwards, and then you're going to say login. And that's it. This is your ORS backend, your dashboard, and in the next videos we're going to show you how to set up everything from the shop to the lead magnet to the offer, and then we're going to push it live and set up the payment gateways with which you're going to be able to start accepting money directly in your ORS for your services. Okay, so see you in the next video.